Hi guys, we are here to discuss in detail, probably, about the September CA Foundation attempt that we can appear for. I have used the word probably because nothing is come in black and white. Well, it's a CA Foundation exam, the first professional exam of your life. So, if at all we are given a chance to appear in September instead of December, then yes, as a teacher, I would always say we must grab the opportunity. Earlier, because it was December attempt, of CA Foundation, we were starting your lectures after 15th of April. Now, the indications are there that you may appear in September. So, we call this also as September batch, and we will start our lectures from 2nd of April. That is, we are just preponing the date of commencement. Why? For the simple reason, एग्जाम अगर प्रीपोन होता है तो हम लेक्चर्स का कमेंसमेंट डेट भी प्रीपोन करेंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू कट शॉर्ट एनीथिंग. Our number of teaching hours are same, going to be same, no change at all. You will be dealing with 4 papers for your CA Foundation exam, no change in that. Accounts will be subjective paper, 100 marks. Quantitative aptitude, which consists of your maths, stats, and LR, logical reasoning, is a multiple choice question. Then you have law for 100 marks, which is subjective paper, and you have economics for 100 marks, which is again going to be MCQ. Guys, at Shesh Educare, we believe in conceptual teaching. We believe in face-to-face teaching because I believe in effective communication. If you sit in front of me, then I can read your mind and perhaps 100% I can guide you as a teacher. So, at Shesh Educare, it is absolutely face-to-face live lectures. However, we don't shy away from the technology, yeah? So, at Shesh Educare, every single lecture gets recorded and it is available on our app. Yeah, we have our own app also, right? So, on that app, you can view those lectures for your revision n number of times. No problem. No problem at all. Ye dil mange more. You can revise your lecture anytime. Also, by any chance, if you are not able to make it to the classroom, some emergency has taken place, you're not well, you're not in town, blah, blah, blah. We will also give you access in case of emergency to online live lectures. Of course, there are many things to discuss, but that's not possible, in the form of video. So for any guidance, you can contact our office and our teachers, our mentors. Sometimes I'm available. We will help you out. I'm looking forward for you guys grabbing the opportunity if the exams are preponed. That is, we will appear for September if September exam takes place. So the batch will start from 2nd April. See you on 2nd April in the class. Bye.